Benefits of remote hiring and how to streamline a remote hiring process. Hey there, fellow recruiters and HR professionals. Welcome back to another insightful video. Today, we will be discussing the benefits of remote hiring and sharing some tips on how to streamline a remote hiring process. Stay tuned till the end of the video, because we have a unique solution to help you with your remote hiring needs. Before we dive into the process of remote hiring, first let's take a moment to understand the amazing benefits of remote hiring. Number 1. Access to a global talent pool. Remote hiring gives recruiters access to a vast talent pool worldwide. No longer restricted by geographical limitations, you can find the best talents across the world, regardless of where they are located. Number 2. Increased efficiency and cost savings. By practicing remote hiring, organizations can significantly reduce the costs associated with maintaining physical offices and their expenses. It also cuts down on expenses related to travel and accommodation for interviews, resulting in significant cost savings. Number 3. Improved work-life balance. Remote work encourages a healthier work-life balance for employees. This flexibility leads to increased job satisfaction, higher retention rates, and enhanced productivity. Number 4. Diverse workforce. Remote hiring encourages diversity in the workplace. Recruiters have the opportunity to bring in talent from different backgrounds, cultures, and experiences, leading to a more dynamic and innovative workforce. Now that we understand the advantages, let's explore some practical steps to streamline the remote hiring process. Number 1. Write clear job descriptions. Write clear and informative job descriptions to attract the right candidates. Clearly outline the roles, responsibilities, and necessary qualifications for the position. Number 2. Video interviews. Video interviews are an excellent way to assess candidates remotely. Use platforms like Zoom or Skype to conduct interviews effectively, saving time and resources. Number 3. Timely collaborate with team members. Involve your team in the hiring process through virtual meetings and collaborative tools. This ensures that multiple perspectives are considered and improves the quality of hiring decisions. Number 4. Use recruiting software. Recruiting software can be a game changer in managing the entire remote hiring process efficiently. It helps you track applicants, schedule interviews, and organize candidate information all in one place. There are a number of recruiting softwares in the market, but most of them provide less features at high costs. But no need to worry. After analyzing the specific needs of recruiters, we have designed an advanced recruiting software, Klimb, to streamline your remote hiring process. With Klimb, you get access to advanced automation tools to automate multiple hiring tasks, such as posting job openings, screening resumes, scheduling interviews, and much more. Let Klimb handle the administrative burden, so you can focus on connecting with top talent and making the best hiring decisions for your team. Check out the link in the description to learn more about Klimb and how it can transform your remote hiring process. Or visit our website to try Klimb for free, www.klimb.io. We hope you've gained valuable insights from this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, reach out to us in the comments below. See you in the next insightful video. Happy hiring!